So, Utpal,
The-
how has your day
uh,
begun? What did you do since morning?
just study, and study.
Entire day you've been
Nothing.
ever since the time you get up, you start studying?
Yes, ma'am. Because and last night also I have been study.
Mm-hmm.
I have been go through many videos of clappingo
Mm-hmm.
sessions.
Okay, great.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you find these videos helpful? Like you catch some phrases or grammar issues that you correct in yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I think it happens with me in implicit way, not explicit way. I
Okay.
do.
Mm-hmm.
It's like in implicit way when I go
Mm-hmm.
through these kind of videos. Uh,
Okay.
prog- Progress happen.
Mm-hmm.
Progress inside me. Progress. I progress very much.
Yeah. Very good. Very good. That's good to know. Okay. And today's topic, okay, it's going to take us down memory lane. So we will be discussing about, childhood and all our memories, fun memories that we had and everything. Okay. So are you excited?
Yeah, I am very excited.
Great.
Today
Good to
topic
know
is
that.
very good.
Yeah, no?
Childhood.
It's one of my favorite topics actually, yeah, childhood. And apart from this, I also like the topic of spirituality. There's one. Have you been through that document? Have you ever come across that yet? Spirituality?
Yes.
Oh,
Mm,
okay.
Childhood document. I have gone through that once. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Mm,
great. So, Utpal, my first question to you would be, where were you born? I'm interested to know that.
Uh, I born and brought up in Bihar. I born
Okay.
in a hospital, Patna,
Mhm,
capital in my capital city, and but
mhm.
I brought up in a village. Like you can
Okay,
see, this is my house.
okay, that's lovely. Okay, great. So, when you say village, like I was born in Mysore, okay, but our native is near Mangalore, and that is also a village, okay. So, during my summer holidays, my cousins and my family and I would go and visit the village. We would visit our cousins over there. It was one of the greatest experience, okay, that we don't get to experience that much in this time, especially during the pandemic when we are not able to travel. We've kind of lost touch with our family. So waiting for this to end as soon as possible. What about you?
Yeah, I also live in different city. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
different.
Mm-hmm.
Like I live in Ranchi sometimes for
Okay.
study, but
Mm-hmm.
due to pandemic, it's a good
Mm-hmm.
opportunity to spend time in my village.
Yes.
Now I am enjoying
Mm-hmm.
lockdown.
You're enjoying lockdown, okay. One of the few persons who has told me that they're enjoying lockdown. Okay. Interesting to know that. Okay, great.
Yeah,
And mhm,
yes,
okay.
I am enjoying. I am not
Mhm,
like other person. I
mhm.
uh, because when I I will be in town, I feel very uncomfortable because of pollution, and I want fresh air for
Mhm.
meditation and for my mind. And when I go in city, I barely have a leisure time because of work,
Okay.
study. You can say
Mhm.
I
Okay.
emerge
Okay.
fully
Okay.
in a
Great.
study.
You immerse yourself. Okay. You immerse yourself in your studies. Yeah.
I immerse myself fully in a study.
Okay. The word you're looking for is not emerge. It is immerse. Okay. IMMERSE. I immerse myself in my studies. Okay. It's not emerge. Emerge means to get out of something. Okay. He emerged out of the river. You can say like that means he got out of it.
Yes, yes.
Immerse means you're like diving deep into it. So that is what it means. Immerse. Okay.
My video is visible, man.
Yeah, yeah. In between, it got stuck. Okay, for a couple of seconds, I could see that the bandwidth was like red. It was slightly weak, but now it is clear for me. Now it is clear.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Yes.
okay,
So,
man.
did you catch that word? Was I audible? Was I clear to you?
Yes, fully.
Fully, na? Great, great. And when you were a child, what kind of a kid were you? Were you an extrovert? Did you in was it easy for you to make friends, or were you more of the shy and introvert kind of a person? How were you as a child?
uh, it is correct to say I was introvert. I was
Mhm.
extrovert basically, but I not
Mhm.
like to.
Can you please repeat that? You said it is correct to say that you were an introvert, and then you continued. Can you please repeat that for me?
Uh, I was not introvert. I was extrovert. I like to play outside, and I love to roam outside. What is means walk outside every day. I
Mm-hmm.
currently also love, but I have no friends. I have no any friends like me, like whom I share everything, anything personal. They are just
Mm-hmm.
like you can say casual, but formal type,
Okay,
semi-casual.
like semi-casual, semi-formal. Yeah,
Yes,
semi-formal.
semi.
So okay, so you don't share anything with others. So in that sense, you're kind of an introvert, right? Only in that sense.
Yes.
Yeah, great. And has there been any change in your personality as you grew up? Like when you were a kid, you said you were an extrovert, but
Yeah.
now also you're the same?
Uh, Now I am same as kid. I was in when I was child.
Okay, great. Good, good. And you said you had, okay, you said you had no friends, that many friends when you were growing up with whom you would share something, right? But when it was time to go out and play, so what was your favorite game as a child?
Cricket.
Oh,
Now also I play cricket. As I said,
now also.
I
Mhm,
didn't change. Uh,
mhm.
I not change anything. I am just like
Okay.
a kid
Mhm.
now. Yeah, my family
Okay.
think
Mhm.
it is good that I am just like as a kid.
Okay, okay. They think that you are still the same
Uh,
kid.
I am trying to say that
Mhm.
my behavior not doesn't change that much. That should
Yes.
be changed.
Mhm. Okay, your
Yes.
behavior hasn't changed that much since you were a kid, and it's pretty much still the same.
Still, I am
Yeah, that's
little bit shy also, but yeah.
mhm. Okay, okay.
So,
That's good. That's good. Okay, you've retained your core personality. That's a great thing. Yeah. And do you like watching TV?
yeah, no. In my home, there is no TV. My mom always forbid to watch TVs and or any kinds of
Mm-hmm.
thing. Mobile also.
Okay, okay. So even the mobile, do they monitor how much screen time, uh, how much
No,
time you're
no.
spending on the screen?
She is not. My mom is not that much intelligent,
Mm-hmm.
but
She's not that protective. Okay.
not intelligent that they can. They just think that what my child is doing. They just keep eye on me always. Like he is
Okay.
study or doing something else in mobile phone. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
he asked me, so just show
Mm-hmm.
me what you are doing, whom you are talking with.
Uh, yes.
And I so, sometimes I very angry with her because sometimes I get
Okay.
frustrated. What since
Mm-hmm.
childhood I am doing same thing. Why you are not
Mm-hmm.
believing in me? I am talking with
Uh-huh.
any girl or anything. You are thinking
Mm-hmm.
like old persons
Mm-hmm.
over village.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, okay. That's like that happens in every Desi household, okay? That happens even at my place also. Like if I have attended a call, if I tell them, okay, I have to go out and attend a call, they're like, why? Why do you want to go out and attend? Sit in home and only speak. No, what's the big deal? So yes, I understand. I'm with you on this, okay? That happens everywhere. So and when you were a child, tell me about your parents. Were they very protective of you, or did they just let you be? Or were they extremely protective?
Mm, you means they are very means what?
Protective
Sorry,
as in
I
protective, I mean, too worried about your safety,
yes, yes,
extremely worried about your
yes.
safety. They wouldn't let you go out more.
Yes, you can say very much because when
Mhm.
I was
Very
kid,
much.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
they just don't let me play also sometimes because
Mm-hmm.
in when you run,
Mm-hmm.
you can what you
Mm-hmm. You
your
can fall. You
body
can
can
fall and
injure.
injure yourself. Hmm.
Yes, injured yourself. And my
Yeah.
grandfather used to always
Mm-hmm.
scold me for this, like when you fall down, I will slap you more, I will not
Oh my God.
swipe your tears, sorry, I will not
I will
swipe
not
your
wipe
tears.
your tears. I'm going to slap you more. One more.
Yeah.
Okay. So it happens. So happens in most families, right? And in
And
schools also.
yeah, so that I never fall, I never broke my legs or hands when I was kid.
Okay.
It's not happened with me. Not
Mhm.
my forehead get any you can say ache also.
Okay. It has never had a cut, even a small cut
Yes,
anywhere.
no. But in my locality,
Mm-hmm.
many kids have
Mm-hmm.
many cuts or many things.
Mm-hmm.
They fall down from a tree. They fall down from some fall down in a well also. But
Mm-hmm.
you can't think that much. I never expect what why they do so.
Yeah, so that way at least they feel like okay, the kid will be wary. Like if they ever get injured, na, you will be ready for one more smacking or one more patka. So the kid will be very careful of not hurting themselves. So I think that is one of the ways our elders use to make sure that we protect ourselves when we are alone. So yeah, that was very funny, Utpal, honestly. So this was also very common in my school, and I have seen most of my cousins also hear the same. So it just brought back a lot of memories. Okay, I couldn't stop laughing. Yeah, great. And your summer holidays. Okay, the time that kids wait the most for, like the summer holidays. What would you do during your summer holidays? Where would you go?
No, I just play in my village field where
Okay.
all kids used to play.
Mm-hmm.
Here, nothing like summer vacation or anything.
Okay.
We just enjoy
Mm-hmm.
every time. Like this time in for 2 months, and
Mm-hmm.
second wave. I think second, yeah, second in second wave. After second wave, I am again enjoying, and before that, in first wave, I was
Mm-hmm.
enjoying for 7 months.
Okay, okay. So you are one of the rare persons who is enjoying the lockdown. I'm so glad that I got to meet you. Okay. This was, I've never heard this from anyone before except
because
you,
uh,
Utpal.
because yeah, because village
Mm-hmm.
and not need to put mask in your mouth or
Mm-hmm.
anything. I
Is
never
it?
put a mask for a single day
Oh
till
my God,
now.
Utpal, please, please wear a mask. Okay. I am trying, I'll tell you, please wear a mask for
here
your own safety.
here here nothing like corona, nothing like any mm,
Mhm,
really nothing
mhm.
like corona here. uh,
Okay.
I can wear mask in city. Yeah,
Mhm.
I used to wear masks in city when I go to city for
Okay.
sometimes for
Mhm,
marketing or
mhm,
for uh,
mhm.
like I given a examination in city
Okay.
just 10 days ago. Then
Mhm,
I wear mask
mhm.
there, but I feel there I was not safe and yeah, that's.
Yeah,
but
absolutely. Yes,
but in
yes, yes.
village I feel very safe because here people
Mhm.
here far there is many trees and fresh air and no one
Yeah, see, I
affected
understand,
by this
okay.
weather.
In your village, yeah, in the village, it is surrounded by greenery, but still, I would strongly suggest you wear a mask because what if you come across a person who's been to the city, right? What if you come
No
across a
person
person who's
wear
been to
mask
the
here.
city?
Person once I was in a wedding. I wear mask
Mm-hmm.
because many
Mm-hmm.
people gather there from different
Mm-hmm.
cities or different. I wear
Mm-hmm.
mask. Uh, Person used to ask me why you are wearing mask.
Okay.
Just put it off. Person used to say
That's
I don't know
strange.
what is problem from to me, what is problem to me? I am wearing mask. I have a heavy means I am looking heavy. What is problem? That they said problem is that I am not able to talk to you more.
Okay, okay, got it, got it, got it. Yeah, great information, like fun conversation, honestly. Especially the last part. Okay, very interesting for me. Okay, now quickly coming to the language part of it, I would like to give you a couple of suggestions. Okay, so that you improve your language. Okay. Uh, okay. So when I asked you where were you born, you said I born and brought up. Okay. You're supposed to say I was born and brought up. Like I asked my question like where were you born, right? So you're supposed to say I was born in so and brought up in Bihar or whichever place you want to mention. So that was is very important because you're going to talk about the past, like you were born. So I was born. That is how we will start. And again, I would want you to work on your pronunciation of words that end with z. Okay, like was, as, because
I
sometimes
tried last night.
you tried
I
it.
tried.
Okay, I would suggest you try some more, a little bit more, because first time when you pronounce it, it still comes across as jaw, but the second time when you say it, you pronounce it correctly. It just happens in the first time. Okay, so I want you to be careful with that. And you said I very angry. Okay, you when you were trying to say I very angry, there was one sentence. Okay, use that. I
I
feel very angry. Yeah.
Yes, I
So
got
that
very
is,
angry or I get very angry.
yeah, I get
I
very
can also
angry. Yeah, if you're talking
yes.
about the past, you can say I felt very angry. Yeah, I felt very angry. I got very angry, or I get very angry if people do this. So that is very important. You're supposed to use that feeling. Like I very angry will be incorrect. It's like an incomplete sentence. Okay. Yeah. And okay, when you were talking about what did you like to do about what did you like to do when you were a child? You said I like to play outside. You said I like to. So again, the question was in the past tense, right? What did you like to do? What did you like? Okay. So again, it was past. So you're supposed to say I liked
I
to.
like
L
to.
I K E D. I liked to. Right? I liked to play outside. Okay. I liked to spend time with my friends. So again, it has to be in the past. So these are the only two corrections for you. Okay, work on your past tenses.